Hello and welcome to USA Finance News. I'm Om, and today we're covering the latest economic updates, market movements, key developments that could impact your financial decisions. Let's begin with today's top headlines.
Good evening. We start tonight with a sharp and unexpected move in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the world's largest digital currency, has briefly fallen below $90,000. Hitting its lowest level since April and wiping out all of its gains for 2025. The sudden drop has raised fresh concerns about investor confidence as speculative and technology-driven assets continue to come under pressure. Bitcoin price breakdown. Earlier today, Bitcoin slid to $89,259. Before making a mild recovery and stabilizing around $91,000 later in the day. Data from FactSet now shows that Bitcoin is officially in the red for the year, down around 2% in 2025. This marks the significant shift from just a few months ago when Bitcoin was one of the strongest performing assets in the global market. Why this drop matters. Today's drop is important because it highlights how quickly investor sentiment has changed. Earlier this year, Bitcoin was seen as a powerhouse, but now that momentum is reversed. Investors are moving away from high-risk markets, and Bitcoin, often the first asset to rise and the first to fall, is once again signaling a broader shift in risk appetite. Market context and tech sell-off. In the US stock market, the month has been dominated by heavy selling in AI-related and high-growth technology stocks. Analysts say institutional investors who are reducing exposure in tech are also cutting down positions in digital assets. This pattern is being described as a classic risk-off rotation, where investors shift money away from speculative markets and into safer instruments like bonds, cash, and defensive sectors. The bigger picture behind the drop. Bitcoin's weakness didn't appear overnight. The cryptocurrency peaked above $126,000 in early October, setting a fresh all-time high. But ever since then, prices have been sliding gradually, suggesting that Bitcoin may have foreshadowed this broader pullback. Stocks reacted. Market strategists now believe the crypto rally had reached an overheated stage, and this correction may be part of a more natural cooling phase. Analyst opinions and future outlook. Analysts we spoke to note that short-term volatility will likely remain high as investors reevaluate growth expectations, economic policy, interest rate forecasts, and overall market stability heading into the final months of the year. Long-term sentiment, however, remains split. Some believe Bitcoin's fundamental structure, especially with the next halving cycle approaching in 2026, keeps the long-term outlook strong. Others warn that if Bitcoin breaks below the $85,000 support, it could trigger deeper and more prolonged declines. Closing summary. For now, Bitcoin continues to trade under pressure, and the broader sell-off in tech is adding further weight to the market. Whether this downturn is a temporary correction or the beginning of a longer-term decline remain.
Thanks for watching today's report. If you found this update helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest market news, financial insights, and real-time updates. Stay informed, stay smart, chide, and we'll see you in the next video.